What's up, my deck of cards? How y'all shuffling today? If you ain't doing jack, I'm join your girl, Queen. Queen of all trades, just grab a play while I go ahead and smash this mukbang thing. It's the mukbang, the mukbang thing. A mukbang, it's a mukbang thing. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, my deck of cards? How are y'all shuffling today? It's the weekend. I know every day feel like it's the weekend. However, we in this mug, and I'm here with a good friend of mine. I classify him as my little brother because he is truly, he means a lot to me, man. He's like a little brother to me, to be honest with y'all. So I got some pirate fish and some callaloo. It's a Jamaican meal. I do have my scotch bonnet pepper and my callaloo. And he has the same thing. Today I have some scotch bonnet pepper sauce, as y'all can see, straight from Jamaica, straight out of Jamaica. You know, say, I don't know where the thing set. All right. So we're going to go on and get the thing them there so popping. So, you want to introduce yourself, bro?
I'm Solo.
He's a dope artist. He's a dope person. Like I said, he's like a little brother to me. So I brought him on this mukbang on me today because I feel like it'll be a real dope collab. So before we get into the food, I'm going to go ahead and say my prayers. So if y'all want to say prayers with me, that's fine and that's dandy. Heavenly Father, in your Son Jesus' name, I come before you right now and say thank you so much for blessing me with everything you blessed me with. Thank you so much for favoring me. Thank you so much for watching over my family. Thank you so much for blessing our mind, hearts, body, and soul. Heavenly Father, I come before you right now to ask you to please allow this food to be nourishment to my mind, body, and soul. In your Son Jesus' name, bless the cook. Amen. So let's go ahead and get this grub on. We gonna get our grub on, man. And I got me some wine over here. I got my wine going. We got our wine going, and we chilling, and we sipping. It's Saturday night, and I hope that everybody is tipping. I hope everybody good. Oh, he got his water, so that's what's up. I got my bottle of water as well. This is my favorite water, by the way. So yeah, man. I stuffed my pirate fish. I know it's not pretty, like, you know, how it is before you cook it. But the thing about pirate fish, when you cook it, it turns a different color. I will insert a picture to show you guys how it looked before I cooked it. And again, I did roast this on the grill. So let's go ahead and jump into this bite. Ooh. Go ahead. Bone. Bang, 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 bang. Tell me what you gotta do. Do they know how to? Bro. I want to take his fish, y'all. His fish looks so good. Mine look good, too. No cap.
Can I see my face?
You want to show me your face? You got to probably take it out the floor.
Mine isn't. I don't know. It's a little spicy.
I did stuff it. I stuffed it with my scotch bonnet pepper. You probably got to take it out the floor. Wait, you can't take it out like that. You want to take it out?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
Just so they can see. That should flip there.
That's all you gotta do. Boom. There you go. And again, you guys, I did roast this on the grill. Wait. Here you go. See, I can see his fish. And here's Callaloo. It's real pretty. It's like a Kool-Aid blue before you cook it. Alright, this is his fish and his Callaloo. So, yeah. Let's get down with the good now. My fingers is juicy already. The fish juice. And it tastes so good, y'all. So, I stuffed my fish with onion, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, and some seasoning. Y'all already know. I gotta keep my scotch bonnet on deck. Yeah, honestly, this is not bad. I've never ate pirate fish, but back in Jamaica, we used to cook it all the time. And I never ate it. I would always want doctor fish. Or red snapper. But this pirate fish is good. That's my first time having it and my first time cooking it.
Definitely good.
So, my brother said he liked it. So, that's a plus.
And I'm a picky eater, so.
You're a picky eater. There's nothing wrong with being a picky eater. You know what you like. There's nothing wrong with that.
Right.
I like the texture of it. The texture is really like, it's not soft, but it's not chewy. It's just right. If that makes sense.
It's definitely a different, like, tasting fish.
And whatever you season it with, it holds the season very, very, very well. And it's not bony. Meaning, it doesn't have a lot of bones in it, you know? Which is another thing I like about it. And again, this is my first time cooking it and my first time ever having it.
You talking about the spinach?
The callaloo? The Jamaican greens? Well, and that, like I said, I have my scotch bonnet pepper inside of my callaloo. I did steam that down with some bell pepper, some onion, some scallion, and some seasoning.
Damn, she can eat while you ham on that fish.
I'm in the mood.
Wait.
So when it comes to fish, shoot. Excuse me, y'all. When it comes to fish, man, listen, I'll mess some whole fish up.
I can't eat like that. Eat braces, but this shit definitely punching. I'm talking about like, yeah, but like the cat though, like, it's nothing but the bone right there.
You just gotta know how to pull your bones out.
Look.
Look at what?
Oh, that's what you did. You just pulled it out.
Yeah, I put the bones out.
You ate it. I'm like, what?
No, you don't eat the bone.
Of course.
I'm not trying to choke. No. I just know how to eat around the bone. Pull it out when you see it. And eat around it.
Keep going. Oh yeah, you definitely did that.
Want to try scotch bonnet sauce?
No. Straight.
So I guess he a punk to spice this, y'all. Even though I stuffed the fish with scotch bonnet, scallion, and onion, and a little bit of time, he a punk to spice this.
She like her food too spicy.
So what?
I can handle spice, but her food, but like, she spices it, then put more spice on it. Like, no.
Man, listen. If it's not spicy, it's not me.
There's not a lot of bones in it, but you do have to be careful because it is fish, you know?
You gonna get full off that water.
I love water. I haven't been drinking that much water today for some odd reason. Been mad busy. Oh, it's Kool-Aid. She ain't say about that. I don't even drink Kool-Aid. This shit. Yo.
Y'all drink Kool-Aid, but what?
My bad. This stuff. This Kool-Aid. That shit good. I mean, that stuff good.
Callaloo? Jamaican Callaloo.
And Kool-Aid. I'm sure.
You guys. Like I said, I'm going to insert a picture of the pirate fish before I cooked it. He was real pretty.
Oh, yeah.
His lips was blue and yellow, and he had a blue mark. Oh, so beautiful. He tastes as good as he looked.
That is actually true.
But when you cook it down, they turn a different color.
Yeah. You can still see it a little bit, like his mouth turned green a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can pull a head up.
Without it falling?
It's gonna fall. So I don't know if you guys can see it.
Like a bird.
I don't eat the head of the fish.
Oh, his eyes broke.
You eat the eyes?
Nah, I was gonna try to show them mine, but that ain't right. Yours ain't fall apart.
To say what? You eat the eyeballs.
Some people do eat eyes.
True.
You definitely try it. Nah, I ain't gonna say.
And some people eat the whole head. I don't eat the head at all.
You said you do earlier.
No, not a fish. No. No, I don't eat the head of no animal.
No fish head, but I'm straight.
Nurse says it's good for your back.
What? Fish head?
The head? They say it's good for your back. It's a good stamina for men.
I was gonna say something.
That's what they say.
Okay, get a power stroke. Let's get them.
That's like okra. They say it's a good stamina for men.
I don't know.
Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna leave y'all with my brother for a second.
You gotta be a strong man. Eat this. A fish head, but I don't know about that.
Alright, I'm back.
Start. What do they eat off the head?
Everything.
Straight.
Like they just take it and just suck it. And eat all the meat.
Nah, that don't even sound manly. I'm okay. I'm straight.
I'm just saying.
Ooh, Jesus. I guess I just have back problems later.
Most Jamaicans do that. I don't do that. No, I'm not Jamaican. But I love Jamaican food. And I know the language, and I know the culture. I lived there for a little bit. I love Jamaica.
Jamaica is fun if you haven't been.
Jamaica, Jamaica. How many of y'all that ever been to Jamaica or ever wanted to go to Jamaica? Jamaica is an awesome country. Like, you wake up, you can go there, and I have no money, and you will still wake up with no worries. Literally. I love Jamaica.
Worries. You can make money in Jamaica.
You make a lot of money in Jamaica, especially if you're an entrepreneur, most definitely.
No cap. It's like Arabs in Jamaica with stores and stuff. Jerry stores, all kind of stuff.
Open up your own business, car wash and all of that. Yep.
Yeah, if you want to. I literally feel like I'm on a beach eating this right now. It's just crazy. That's what it reminds me of.
So yeah, I have a little bit of bones in my fish, of course. So I gotta pick them out.
Not a lot though, just eating fish, you know. I said not a lot though, just eating fish. Oh, I did not know the bone structure were like that. I'm really amazed at this right now. If y'all haven't.
Why? Because you never had a pirate fish, or because you never had a whole fish?
That too.
You never had a whole fish before?
All of the above. Fried fish and shit.
Hold on, y'all. Oh, shoot. It's alright. It's alright. Taking out the bones. In a fan. Alright, that's his lungs. But I want the lung. I want the
That was his lungs?
Yeah.
So you mean to tell me I could have ate some lungs?
No. It's toward the head part. It's like up here by the jaw.
Oh yeah, I'm tripping. It's a fish.
You're fine. You guys, I know y'all looking like, yo, Queen, how come your fish look tore up like that? Because one, I don't eat the skin of nothing. Not even chicken. Nothing. But I will salvage the meat. I tear the meat up.
I'm trying to make sure I don't get them on bones so I can enjoy it. What's that?
A piece of meat. I don't want the skin, so I gotta make sure no skin's on it before I eat it. You thought it was the head?
Mm-hmm.
But now I suck for no head. You guys, I know how long I've been saying I wanted to do a whole fish, roast a whole fish. It's been about 2 weeks now. No lie.
Phone keep going. It's crazy. Drink all the water. Yeah, I drunk all the Kool-Aid. Must be thirsty. You open it? Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Can't go wrong with H2O. You turn down water, you're full. Especially out this weird Corona stuff.
That part.
I say forget that COVID. Yo, so you know somebody had a baby, right? They had twins, and there was 2 boys, and they named them COVID. I'm dead serious. COVID and Corona. That's the children's name.
Man, listen, that's a different name because nobody ever named their kids that to my acknowledgement.
Yeah, but 2 boys too.
COVID and Corona.
That's their name.
Corona is a girl name because of her nah. I would think.
Yeah, that's what I said. I even tried to make it sound like a man name, but it ain't.
Who named their kid COVID and? Alright, never mind.
I ain't gonna bring that up because they might get disappointed if they see this, but
that'll be alright.
So what? You named your child Corona.
Y'all bogus naming y'all kid that.
That's bogus.
They're bogus. Big bogus.
This is a pirate fish, though. That's pretty dope.
You picking that or you eating it?
You know, I'm just trying to make sure I'm not getting no bones. I got braces. If
But
I get a bone stuck in, we not doing for that.
See, that's the thing about the pirate fish. Not any fish. When you bite down on it, it's inside your mouth. It's not going to get stuck in your braces. Because it don't go like, jagging your teeth like a buffalo fish. You know, like,
when I chew it, though.
You'll feel it in between your teeth. It's not going to jag it. You're going to feel it when you bite down on it. But then when you pick it up, you will see it because it'll be like something sticking out like this. This is a bone. You see how it look?
Right.
That's a bone. It's obvious. You know what I mean? So they definitely, they show themselves.
I gotta be cautious still.
I hear you. I ain't. I'm greedy.
He said, alright.
I ain't. I'm greedy. If I bite down on it.
But you don't got braces, so there's no reason for you to be cautious.
I used to have braces. I had braces for like 7 years.
Sure enough.
I was young though, y'all. I was like real young. I was like 13, 14.
13, 14.
When I first got him.
Can't go wrong with water, y'all.
You gonna full of water.
I'm not full. I just like water. You really demolishing this fish though, like it's like I'm demolishing mine, but like you really going serious.
I love whole
How many
fish.
times have you ate this?
What, the pirate fish or a whole fish?
Pirate fish.
It's my first time eating it.
For real?
But I love whole fish though. I love whole fish.
So why ain't you try pirate fish?
Because it's pretty.
That's true.
So I thought to myself, it's a pretty fish. So
Niggas want
let's
to
see
bring it back to life. Like the way it looked.
if I could take it and put it in my fish tank and hold it as a pet, I would.
You said?
I'm dead.
Oh, yeah.
I'm dead
Fish
serious.
just floating upside down, but it's pretty.
Wasn't it? He was too. I will post a picture of the fish in here, y'all, so y'all can see. He was real pretty, or they were really pretty.
Whatever they were, male or female.
Right, they were pretty, real pretty. I didn't even want to eat it because it was so pretty. I didn't want to cook it. I was like, I don't want to cook them, no. Like, but it was pretty. He good. So you know what they say, right?
What?
If you taste as pretty as you look, you win.
What? Oh, wait, bro. I wasn't ready for that one.
That's what they say.
They're not winning because they're dead.
But that's what he said.
Who is he?
So you never heard the saying, like somebody say something, and he'd be like, that's what she said.
Oh, never mind.
So that's what he said.
I get it.
If you taste as pretty as you look, that's what he said. You winning. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus. How do you taste pretty, though?
I don't know. That's what he said.
Dude.
I don't know. I got some crazy friends that say some crazy stuff, man.
Okay.
My friends is crazy as heck. They crazy. Crazy, like crazy, silly.
You know what's even more crazy?
Hmm.
It's 2 in the morning and we eating pirate fish.
And Callaloo.
Yeah, I feel like a pirate.
Gonna sleep good tonight.
See like a baby.
This Callaloo is busting though. I ain't even gonna lie.
Yeah,
This fish busting too.
It put it all together.
Mm-hmm.
My phone, bro. I'm busy.
So don't look at it.
I can, like, it's in the corner eye. You know how like it just flash on?
Turn it upside down.
Oh, that is what I usually do.
See, I told y'all I got some crazy friends.
Then people be like, why you answer the phone for me? Well, my phone was upside down. Then
I ain't hear it. That part.
I didn't know.
So you don't want no hot sauce?
I'm trying to kill it or something.
Y'all, it's Saturday/Sunday morning.
It's definitely something.
It's 2 a.m. for us. So, technically it's Sunday.
This has a very unique taste, though. Like, serious.
This video will be out tomorrow, Sunday. Well, today, in a couple hours. I'm off this weekend. I'm blessed.
Yes, sir.
You done?
For what?
I'm like, you sure?
That was crazy. I forgot. I forgot what that was.
Y'all ever ate
I'm gonna
something?
take this home.
Huh?
I'm gonna take it home.
Why? You gotta eat for the mukbang.
I gotta sit here and try to eat out of this for the mukbang just cause you. They can see your plate.
You my special guest.
Look how you ate all that.
So, you my special guest.
Y'all,
Like comment below and tell Solo when we doing the mukbang, he gotta eat it.
I gotta eat all the food.
As much as you can eat.
I can't eat a lot. I just don't eat like that. You ate it. Look how fast you ate it. I don't even know how long is it. How long is it now? A minute?
No.
60 seconds.
He's tripping.
Jesus. Maybe it's them. I'm saying something crazy.
I haven't ate all day. I don't know about
I was
him.
just about to say that. That's probably what it is. You eat all day.
I ain't nothing all day.
I definitely did. I can't do that. Oh, you know what I just thought about? You know how much chicken I ate today? Like 5 big ass. What are they called?
Leg quarters?
Is that what it's called?
Or drumsticks?
I think it's drumsticks. I ate 5 of those and 2 pieces of bread.
From what?
My house.
My mama cooked it?
No, I did. I already cooked it. I just realized that. And plus, I was eating before that. Have you ever ate at what that place called? Chef's Red's Barbecue?
Oh, I haven't heard of it. The only one I ever heard of was the one up the street.
That's what I'm talking about.
And that pork pig place?
Yeah, they got pork. Of course, I don't.
They disgusting. They didn't have no beef ribs when I went. They only had pork.
For real? Somebody told me they had beef and pork, but of course I'm not gonna eat.
They do, but they only had the beef ribs on certain days. They have it when I went. All they had was pork. I didn't want that crap.
They can have that.
Pork ribs is oily. Even if you soak it in vinegar, because I'll try it. They oily. They nasty. I don't like all that oil.
Just because you put your pork in vinegar does not mean it's still going to be healthy for you. Start letting people lie to you. Doesn't even make sense. Oh, I put it in vinegar, so it's good. What?
Well, when you put it in vinegar, you cure it. Okay. So they say. Okay. I don't know what they talking about, but that's what he said.
No, bro. Whoa.
That's what he said.
That went over their heads. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, shoot.
What? What kind of wine is this? You gotta tell them for the mukbang.
That's some Moscato pink.
I don't know. This shit tastes
in the black bottle.
This definitely tastes expensive, man.
It's good. It wasn't that expensive. It was a decent price. It was good. I just finished the last of mine.
I don't even drink wine, but that shit.
Why'd you like it?
That shit tastes expensive. Like ain't no way. Nah, I couldn't drink no whole. Nah, I'm serious.
That's what he said.
What did he say? What did he say?
What you just said.
I don't even know what I said. Honestly.
You don't drink wine, but that tastes good.
Okay.
He's tripping, y'all. Forgive him. It's his first time. Forgive him.
My first time what?
It's not the last time I'm gonna say.
Bro.
Oh.
I can't.
And I did want to let y'all know too, he's also an artist. You gonna spit something for the people?
Can I spit something for the people?
From my deck of cards so I can see how you shuffling?
Yeah, that's what they gonna have to do. They're gonna have to, oh, matter of fact, we got a tape they're gonna release. Yes, Two-Headed Snake.
He got bars.
Two-Headed Snake. You should look that up on all platforms from the drop. But first, I'm gonna drop a single called Betrayed. Look for that Betrayed single. Then get at me.
Do you got a YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me your YouTube information so you can know where to find you.
17 Solo, just the name itself. Don't try to put one so you can look it up that way. But you should type in 17 Solo, the word 17. Like the number, you did. That's all you gotta do. Listen to me every morning for your early morning stretch before your workout. Listen to me while you working out. Whatever you want to do. You going through relationship problems? Listen to me. You want to make some money? Listen to me. All that. No cap.
So, since he don't want to spit no bars, I'll spit some bars for y'all. Put on the freestyle. Instrumental. Oh, Queen of all trades. Yeah, I never did a freestyle for y'all, but I'm gonna do one tonight. I'm gonna do one tonight because it's good Saturday. And I just ate me some good old Callaloo and some roast fish on the grill. So I'm feeling all right, you know. Excuse me for belching, y'all. But this fish was delicious. And for those of y'all out there that speak Spanish, it was delicioso.
I'm weak. She definitely demolished that. Boy, you know, what else I'm do? Oh yeah, I didn't even forget what I was gonna do.
Put on instrumental.
Let's see what we got here.
Y'all ever ate something and y'all couldn't get enough of them, and you kept looking for more even after it was all done? That's me right now. Me ASF.
Gotta figure out what kind of beat to play here.
We're gonna freestyle real quick.
Oh God.
Yeah. Queen in this joint. What you rolling? Queen on this point. What you strolling? Queen in this joint. What you rolling? Queen in this joint say what you rolling. Queen in this joint say what you smoking. Queen in this joint say what you sipping. Queen in this joint say what you tipping. Tipping, you tripping. Ain't no need of ad-libbing. Go ahead and freestyle, cause that's the thing I do and that's my business. I said I'm a tourist. I don't make no apologies. I'm just me, unapologetically. Is you gonna accept me and love me for who I am? Cause I'm just me, don't mean no harm, don't mean to get on nobody's face. Ooh, did I step on your feet? So what? Suck it up. Got an issue? Grab a tissue. Hey.
That's too much sauce for it. Too much drip. That's all I get. Too much sauce.
So at the end of the day, I just feel like, you know, a person that's going to appreciate me for me, that's just what it is and that's just what it's going to be because I'm going to appreciate him for him. So, that's just about sums it up for me, to be honest.
That's not really, like, you said old tradition. It's not really old tradition.
Like,
that's
no, like that old school love. Like that old school respect.
That's supposed to be. I thought you meant, like,
old school,
I'm
like.
not explaining, like, think of that just do everything for this woman or a man that just do everything for his woman.
I don't want a man that's going to do everything for me. Because I got 2 feet, I got 2 arms, I'm fully capable and able.
I mean, yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. I'm supposed to build each other up. You know what I'm saying? He's supposed to show.
It stops me.
It's not.
Okay, y'all. Sorry about that. He done got full. You see, he all laid back in the back, chilling like he in the back of the Cadillac, all tinted, all black. You mean?
Sleepy.
Sleepy my butt. Nah, I tell y'all.
I had fun. Let me shut up.
What? You had fun?
Yeah, I did.
Have fun doing what?
Eating.
That's what he said.
Jesus.
Y'all listen, little brothers are like, I don't know. It's like they were put here to purposely get on our dang on nerve. Little brother. What you gonna do without a little brother? Or without a little sister? What you gonna do without a younger sibling? That's my question.
Little sisters are the worst.
Nah.
They're the worst.
Well, thank God I'm older than you. Thank God for that. What y'all sipping on tonight, man? Y'all gotta be having fun. We're on party, we're on club. This is our definition of having fun right here. Just eating, listening to music, vibing, sipping a little sip. You know, just enjoying ourselves.
during COVID-19. But I don't go to parties anyway. People weird.
Very weird. People will make you second think like just humanity in general. You know what I'm saying? Like people nowadays they are so inconsiderate and so rude and so disrespectful. It's like one of them things where it's like, how dare you? How can you? You know what I'm saying? Like people are just so senseless nowadays. It don't make sense to me. Does that make sense to you?
Wait, how sensitive they are?
Yeah, like how senseless people are. It don't make sense to me.
People do dumb stuff.
For no reason. And it could be the same person that you help out and you try to help build to be a better them. Or you just put on this persona like, oh, I want to do better. I deserve better in my life. But then when you try to help them, what they do?
Nothing but use you all the time. But not even for the reason that you want them to use you so they can get better. It's weird, bro. It doesn't make sense.
That be like me feeling like Rihanna in this joint.
How you feel?
Man down. I promise y'all.
You know what's weird? I never understood what Rihanna actually meant in her songs into what you just did. Like, it just makes so much sense what Rihanna be singing about now. Like, for real. Think about it. Even the Umbrella song, you can stand in my umbrella. Like, nigga was going through something. You hear me? She wanted to help him out.
So that means that she really wasn't listening to Rihanna like that because all her songs is like, yeah.
No, I just didn't. I just thought they were good songs. Just good songs. Like, I never actually paid attention to the meaning of it until you just said that.
See, Rihanna talked about things that she went through, she was going through. Yes, very. And she's very intellectual. And I love Rihanna. I love Rihanna.
Rihanna fine.
Oh, before,
Terry on I said, so you hear me?
That's what he said.
I did.
So all my Tauruses out there, we got birthdays coming up. My birthday is in 4 weeks and 4 days. It's May 8th. I will be, don't tell nobody, but where your daddy at? So, yeah.
You don't know how old that daddy is? That daddy might be 60 years old.
And? Can nobody tell me about his past? Because I wasn't even born yet.
Please, bro.
Listen. Can't nobody tell you about it.
Woman. It's dead.
What?
I was playing. I'm lying, but PS5, me, yes, sir. I'll take that.
But that
I don't even play video game, but I get a PS5. But
so you like older women?
You know with that.
I don't want either. I like older men.
Yeah, I like one with 4 kids. You hear me? They all my age. I'm just playing.
What you said? You said you like.
Excuse me.
You like older women that got kids your age.
Yeah. Oh snap! Yeah, I need somebody to play with.
So you gonna?
I'm just playing.
That's what he said.
She old. She got kids my age, but nah, she might. It depends. Cause she could be like 40 something. I don't see nothing wrong with that. Shit, we can get money together, son.
She already got a 401k.
I ain't talking about the mama, I'm talking about the son.
Oh, so what about the mama?
Mama's just my, you know what I'm saying, sweetheart. We go on dates. I don't usually do that, but we can travel where together, you know.
As my boy Lips say, I cannot.
What's wrong with that? we can't do no more.
No.
Ain't nothing else to build. She don't build. I mean, you can still build on something, but.
See, the reason I like older men, even though you're not going to ask me, I'm going to tell you. The reason I like older men is because older men don't want no more kids. And I don't want no kids. So we even. Okay? Okay. So, yeah. That plus, they believe in that. I like an older man that has that old school love, that old school tradition. When it comes to treating a woman right. Know how to love unconditionally, love regardless. Knowing how to treat a woman right. Knowing what it takes and the simple things, the simplicity of appreciating a woman and showing her your appreciation. Like, don't tell me you love me, show me. Don't tell me you appreciate me, show me. Like, don't ask me what I want from the store. If you see something and you think of me, just buy it. If you want to see me in it or you want to see me with it. Like, that type of thing. An older man in the sense that I don't have to tell or teach how to do or what to do or how to be a man. He automatically knows. You understand? So that's the thing with me. Like, I'll be 34 next month on May 8th. Yes, I said that with joy. 34. You know, it is what it is. It's a blessing. While I'm out here looking like I'm 21, I'll be 34. So don't ever get it mistaken or ever get it twisted. You know, my intellectuality is higher. So yeah, y'all, we about to wrap this up. I hope y'all enjoyed our conversation. I hope you enjoyed my little brother's solo, dolo, molo, solo. I hope y'all enjoyed his company. Cause I did, and y'all will definitely be seeing more of him. Anything you want to say to my deck of cards before they shuffle out?
Bro, I'm mad chill. No cap.
You said they mad chill.
Yeah, it was mad chill. I said I'm mad chill.
Most definitely. That's the kind of crowd that I have. Shout out to all my mukbangers that I watch. KC Connections, B Love's Life. Happy belated birthday, B Love. I didn't forget about you, Mama.
Mm-hmm.
Just been working.
Make sure you drink plenty of water, H2O.
Oh yeah, B Love always drinking water.
That's to all of them.
KC Connection. Shout out to Cuzzle AB. Shout out to Dame Dash. Shout out to Steph Tosh. Shout out to Batty Twins. Shout out to Tay and Lou. Shout out to all y'all, man. I love y'all, not watch y'all. Shout out to Sin and Mo. I love y'all, not watch y'all. Shout out to John Time Forever Eats. Mm-hmm. Shout out to all y'all, man. I'm showing enough love on this Saturday/Sunday. And I hope everybody have a good night. I have a great weekend. And y'all do what y'all can to stay safe, stay blessed. And make sure y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. Because that's the only way that we can grow. We got to grow together. So let's stay together to grow together. And let's become better. All right? So with that being said, done. Cheers.
Shout out to Dasani. Dasani. How do you say that shit? I mean,
Dasani water.
Yeah, how do you say that word?
Dasani. Dasani. Dasani.
Shout out to Dasani.
But y'all stay blessed and y'all just continue to encourage one another. And I will see y'all later. Until another banger. Stay safe, peace, and blessings.